I've been riding lean, putting hell in head. For tomorrow never seen, but I fly and flowing. And I fly like a bird in the sky, in the sky, in the sky, in the sky, yeah. Help me remind them I'm special as Protea. Help me remind them back then I wasn't wise. If you can relate, let me see, put your hands up. But if you can really, heads up, raise up. I'm cold and it's fine as my start was underground. But after the shit without tissue, forget, look at me now. Bad things happen to good people just for being nice. When I am feeling damn stressed, I'll tend to roll a blunt or go to church to ask for peace to the Holy Son. Start changing your destiny by just keeping calm. I also had some bad times, my legs are difficult. I mean like E.G. what I'm talking about. I asked for help, they said another day. Another day came, they said another date. Another date came, they said another year. I wish you'd give me shit straight instead of pulling back. I'm feeling strange like I'm back from something amazing, but still falling to justice. I mean, I be caught on and feeling freezing. Don't be smiling no more for these rats and mices. They want us to say cheese as if we're perfect, as if we're flawless in posture like Captain Morgan. And did put a fleet on as if we're shipping, and we sip oil as if we're bitching. Just to be honest, I feel like I'm in bottom. I'm sick of the emotion that keep me undevoted and still control my choices. I needed a brand new start. I needed to keep on trying and keep my papa proud of me. I know growth comes slowly. I've been calling and phoning, putting a seed up to moments. I've been caring for y'all. I'm just keeping the void. I'm just keeping my soul. I'm praying for joy. I'm praying for joy. I've been riding lean, putting hell in head. For tomorrow never seen, but I fly and flowing.